Take two. Once again, I forgot to hit record. So today I am making my Highland Cow Soap. This is a new version. I don't know if you remember at Christmas time I made a Highland Cow. I put a Santa hat on them. But that disc was hard to extrude and even harder to put together. It could be done, but it was just labor intensive. So I went back to the drawing board and ended up creating a whole new cow. So this one's much easier to assemble and extrude. And there's also a little stamp so I can put the nose on it after I cut it. So yeah, that's the disc set, and you can see the stamp right there. Much easier design. I decided that it was a spring collection and I was going to go all out spring. So this is going to be a girly cow with flowers. I coated the outside in mica. I'm going to do a light pink base and basically just embed this in, and the focal point will be the cow. That's the focus. Isn't he cute? Isn't she adorable? So I'm also testing out for the first time my new 3 mold cavity holder from Soap Supply. I was going to make another batch for this third one, but I am running out of time, so it's not going to happen today, but in the future it will definitely get used. So like these sides slide out, so it's easy to do. There's, I don't know if you can see, look, there's markings on the side and it's clear, so I can actually see if I want to do layers and stuff like that, which is cool. Today is just going to be a simple version, but I'm going to have fun playing with this in the near future. So let me go finish prepping the soap and then I'll come back and pour it. Relatively simple. All of the work was in creating the embed for this design. So this design, relatively simple. It was the embed that was the complicated part. The pink was darker than I was planning. So let's see how well things stand out. I'm a little worried about that. Let's find out. Nothing I can do about it now. What's done is done. It's not too bad. The ears are little. I'm glad I coated around the flowers. I said I'll stamp the little nose on as well. Not 100% what I was going for. I also made, I don't know if I'm actually going to use these. I'll probably try on the end piece some flower stamps, because I was thinking about maybe like stamping it and then infilling it. We'll see. I haven't figured that one out yet. I'll test, like I said, the end piece, see what I think, and then go from there. I like this cow. It's much easier to assemble, and I think it's cute. I am not apologizing for making this a very pink, girly soap. Occasionally I have those moods. This is scented with Blackberry Fizz from Nature's Garden. And this is I really like the scent. It's kind of an in-your-face scent, meaning it's strong, not overpowering, but like it says stop, smell me. Don't just pass by me. I'm gonna make you sniff me twice type scent. I like it. It's fruity, but I also feel like there's some undertone floral elements to it. So yeah, my spring soaps are underway. Let me I have to cut the other loaf, get all the rest of these off, and then we'll come back and I'll stamp the nose and I'll play around with the flower and see if I want to do that.